Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to show you another way how to make money online. So guys, this software is studypool, and this guys is free. You sign up for free. You don't have to pay any money. You don't have to have any credit card or anything like that. So guys, before we get into the video, I'd like you to subscribe, like and comment down below guys. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So guys, you can see on this website, earn money by selling study document, earn passive income of up to 5,000 US a month. We share your docs with 10,000 and millions of students. You get up to $10 every time a student view one. So guys, these are the top contributors on the platform. This is all that they are making, 8,080 US. And guys, just quality document. It's whether it's quiz, prep, assignment, notes, anything like that guys, you have, and you get $10 for an item. So guys, so far I only upload one, and I was just testing to see if they will approve my document. So it takes 2 days, that is 48 hours, for them to approve a document. So I do this 2 days ago, and I'm just testing back, and because I test back, I'm just like showing you guys how this works. So there, my documents approved, and I can upload other documents. So all I would have to do for you, mine is different now because, as I said, this is my account. So if you create a brand new account, all you do, come to sell document, and when you press sell document, then you will get the option like this, how to upload a file. So for me now, all I would have to do is just press and upload a file, and then I will just direct to the file and upload. And then, as I said, within 2 days you will get approved. So guys, the payment method, you can pay through PayPal, and I think this also go for Payoneer. So here they have their guideline guides about bad content example. So let's bring this up and show you. So this is bad content guys. So if you're using like your phone to take it and it's blurry and all of that, this is an example of bad content. These are example of the bad content. So these are example of good content. So this is how the content is supposed to look. So even if it's just 2 paper guys, you have some people upload 9 pages and all of that guys. So you can go ahead and check this out. You can go ahead and check this out guys. I will leave a link of it in the description down below, and comment guys if you are interested and let me know. So guys, stay tuned, like, share. This will help my channel out in order to provide more video for you guys. So please like, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you for joining.